You didn't record? Very good. You have to remember now.
I'll write
So
it down.
without any extension or any contraction of each akshara, the value remains in its original format. That's how we will get Diditeyi as 4 aksharas in any tala, in any gati. Diditeyi without making it Di, Di, Te, E, which are because we are extending each akshara by one karve. Without this or Diditei, contracting it and saying it in a higher speed and making it 2. Like this, extension and contraction, you can expand an akshara or concise an akshara. But without any of that, the original value will be, without any of that, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4 aksharas. Like did, te, ye. Right? So did, te, ye is for te, ye, did, te, ye is 6. Te, ye, did, te, ye is 8. Te, ye, did, te, ye is 10. So we don't have an odd numbered Muktaya Adavu. It's all even numbers. 4, 6, 8 and 10. Because 4, what are we adding it to 4? We are adding one more 2 aksharas. Te, ye. That's why it becomes 4 becomes 6. Te, ye, it becomes 8. Te, ye, did, 10. This is true to all 35 talas in Chaturashra Gati. When I say Chaturashra Gati, it means one beat having 4 aksharas in them. Understood? There is nothing in this whole world which can make Didite into any other number without you extending it by a karve or contrasting it by saying it in a higher pace. Without doing these two, the 4 will remain always 4. Whether it is Didite or Takadimi or Taditonam, any 4 aksharas, any akshara for that matter, it remains as the same akshara without you extending it by karves or contrasting it by saying it in higher paces. Understood? Based on that, I will tell you what ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta katari ta kitataka. Now, what is the total number of aksharas here? Ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka. It is 6 4s are 24 plus ta kitataka, which is 8. 8 plus 24, 32 aksharas. Right?
No, I didn't understand that.
You didn't understand. What did you didn't understand?
The 32.
The 32. You understand ta kitataka?
You did it in third speed.
Yes.
So, ta kitata. No.
Say it in third speed. Ta kitataka, ta kitataka.
Ta kitataka, ta kitataka, ta kitataka, ta.
How much is ta kitataka? How much is a ta kitataka? Value of ta kitataka is what?
8.
6. 6.
Ta kitataka, ta kitataka, ta kitataka, ta kitataka, ta kitataka.
How much is it now?
I don't know how many times I did it.
You did 4 times 6. Ta kitataka into 4 times. Ta kitataka once. Ta kitataka is how much? How much? 8. 8 plus 24 is how much?
32. But
24 is what?
when did I do ta kitataka?
Rewind your recording and see when did you do. You said ta kitataka, ta kitataka, ta kitataka, ta kitataka. When you stopped here, there are 2 more beats, right? If you want to complete that, you have to say an 8 aksharas. Ta kitataka.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Understood?
Okay, got it. 32. I got it. Sorry, sir.
30. But in which way you said like that, if something happens, it will not come. Because you are not saying it in without extension or contrasting format. You are saying it in some other format which is ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka, where each beat has 6 aksharas. Understood, Suchita? Here also 6 remained as 6 only. But we are saying 6 aksharas in one beat, that will give you some more gati, trishra gati, second kala. Okay, even now, if you are saying Teididite in a different Artha Kitataka, which is 6 originally, in a different Gati also, 6 is 6 there also. Right? But we have to say it in correct format. Then it will be correct. Okay. So now, see the beauty of our dance. What happens? We are saying a 32 Akshara, Shollukatta. You both agreed? Right? What is the adavu that we do? That's what confused you both when I asked. What is the adavu that commonly we do this pattern in dance? So I'll clap now. You observe. What happens? None. Not all those things. You don't make your own combinations. You hear what your teachers have said. Okay. Now detect what your teachers have taught you in this way. Okay. You all know Varna, right? No. And say Sri Krishna Kamalanath. Okay. श्रीकृष्णः कमलनाथो वासुदेवः सनातनः वसुदेवात्मजः पुण्यो लीलामानुषविग्रहः. Where was that ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka in this tomato? Was it there?
No
It
idea.
was not there. Right? Ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka ta kitataka. What is this now? Have you done this
Mm.
in your tomato? You don't do. You don't do
I'm
takkita,
very
dikkita,
confused, sir.
tomkitta, namkitta, tei tei didite in your varna. ಸುಚಿತ
Yes, sir.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು.
Maybe.
ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಧಿಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತೊಂಕಿಟ್ಟ ನಮ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತೈ ತೈ ದಿದಿದೆ. Will you do or not?
Okay.
In after every tattumattu ending you will do this. Right? So, but how did the takkitta dikkitta tomkitta namkitta tei tei didide becomes 32? How will it become 32? You tell me now. When will takkitta become 6? When will takkitta become 6?
The picture is 4, sir.
Takita is 4.
Yeah.
How?
Just hold it. Ta- ta-
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tei, tei, didi, tei. 1, 2, 3 is 4.
3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
12 and 30 is days.
According to you, Takita is now 4 or 3.
3.
Then why did you say it is 4?
Because I have a problem with Tei and Tei. I'm always confused.
Tei, where is Tei here? Takita, it's a Tattumattu Adavu. Where is the Tei?
Exactly.
Right, we do Takita, 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 Tei, Tei, Didi, Tei. You will do.